Hello dear students, this is the first video on my channel. I will be giving you videos based on the topics of chemistry and some topics of mathematics. The first topic which I have selected is thermodynamics. This is the first lecture of thermodynamics. I will be giving the different lectures on thermodynamics. In this topic, I have covered only the basic terminologies which have been used in thermodynamics and the basic formulas which have been using in thermodynamics in its calculations, and these are all useful in various competitive exams also. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends also. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is basically a branch of chemistry which deals with the different forms of energy and their interconversions, that how one form of energy is converted into another. Basic terminologies which we generally used in thermodynamics is system. System means what? The part of the universe. Universe means the space around us is termed as universe. The part of the universe which is used for experimentation, whether it can be a kettle, whether it can be a bomb calorimeter, which we use for any experiment, is known as system. Surrounding means except system, the remaining portion is known as surrounding. System and surrounding makes complete universe. Okay. The system is generally out of three types: open system, closed system and isolated system. Open system means what? Which can exchange both matter and energy is open system. And closed, which can exchange only energy, means not matter, because it is closed, it cannot exchange matter, it can only exchange energy, is closed system. Isolated system means what? Which can either exchange neither energy nor matter. For example, a thermos flask, because it is insulated, so it cannot exchange neither heat nor it can exchange matter because it is closed. So it is called as isolated system. State variables means what? The system, when the system is expressed, the state of the system is expressed in terms of variables, these are known as state variables. Means, for example, any system which is kept at any temperature, at any pressure and volume, so these are known as state variables. Means the state of a system is described in terms of variables, which is known as state variables. State function. State function means what? Which depends only on the initial and final state of the system, not on the path followed. For example, if we have two states A and B, so thus those variables or those functions which depend only on the initial and final state and not on the path followed is known as state function. For example, internal energy, entropy, enthalpy, free energy, these are all known as state functions. For example, like this A and B, we can get from A to B either through the process x1 or through the process x2. So it will not depend whether it is x1 or x2. It only depends on A and B. So the initial and final states only depends. Such type of functions are known as state functions. Path function means which depends on the path followed, like heat, work, these are known as path function. If we change the path, the value of heat and work also gets changed because it depends on the path. Then we have two kinds of properties which are known as extensive and intensive properties. Extensive means what? Which depends on the quantity of matter. Means if it is changed on division, are known as extensive properties. We can learn it by this also, COD code. Change on division is extensive. Means जिसको हम divide करें और वो उसकी property change है, जैसे mass, volume. Suppose we have any container in which 2 liter water is present. अगर इस 2 liter water को हम दो half bowl में divide कर दे, तो एक में 1 liter water हो जाएगा, दूसरे में 1 liter water हो जाएगा. मतलब divide करने से volume क्या हो गया? Change. तो ऐसे टाइप की properties को क्या बोलते हैं? Extensive. Similarly, mass भी वैसे कर सकते हैं. Similarly, enthalpy, entropy and internal energy, these are all extensive, which gets changed on division are known as extensive. Intensive means what? Which does not depend upon the quantity. कितना भी quantity लो, चाहे आप 1 ग्राम लो चाहे 2 ग्राम लो, क्वांटिटी कितना भी रहे, उस प्रॉपर्टी चेंज नहीं होता, इज इंटेंसिव. जैसे डेंसिटी. डेंसिटी इज व्हाट? इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी, बिकॉज डेंसिटी डज नॉट डिपेंड अपॉन द क्वांटिटी. Density is mass by volume. Mass is extensive, volume is extensive. The ratio of two extensive property is always what? Intensive. इसके अलावा specific heat capacity, it is also an intensive properties which does not depends upon the quantity of matter. Next, there are various conversions which we generally used in thermodynamics. First is 1 liter ATM, जो calculations में use आएगा. 1 liter ATM, this is the unit of work. Liter, we will get the formula of work as PdV. P, pressure unit is ATM. dV, volume unit is liter. So therefore work unit is liter ATM. So 1 liter ATM is 101 joule. 1 liter bar is 100. यहाँ रखना ATM का है 101, इसको 100 नहीं करना. 1 liter bar is 100. 1 calorie is 4.18 joule. 1 ml is 1 centimeter cube. 1 liter is 1 decimeter cube. इसके अलावा R की हमको बहुत सारे कैलकुलेशन की जरूरत पड़ती है. R has 3 values 8.314, 0.0831 and 2. When the calculation is done in the form of joule, the ये वाली वैल्यू यूज करेंगे. When the calculation is done in the form of liter ATM, then 0.0831. When the calculation is done in the form of calorie, then the value of R is used as 2. Okay. इसके अलावा we will also get various other terminologies which we generally use in thermodynamics. That is thermodynamic process. What do you mean by thermodynamic process? So there are 4 kinds of thermodynamic process. First is isothermal. Isothermal means those process in which temperature remains constant is isothermal. Temperature is constant means what? The change of temperature will be 0. This D indicates the change. Change in temperature will be 0 because temperature is constant. There will be no change in temperature. So change in temperature is 0. Isochoric, core is the unit of volume. So isochoric means where volume remains constant. So change in volume will be 0. Isobaric, bar is the unit of pressure. So pressure remains constant. So change in pressure will be 0. Adiabatic means where heat is constant. So change in heat will be 0. Remember this thing. ठीक है, इससे बहुत सारे calculations हो जाते हैं. Internal energy sometimes written as capital U, sometimes written as capital E. Means what? Total energy which is contained in system, which is contained internally in the system is internal energy. Sometimes internal energy have also definition. The heat change at constant volume is written as internal energy. We will prove it later. Heat change at constant volume is internal energy. Heat change at constant volume is internal energy. Next is work. Work is what? Minus P into dV. This is work. dV means change in volume. It can be written as final volume minus initial volume. By ideal gas equation, P delta V is also written as delta Ng into RT, another formula of work. Delta Ng means what? Number of gaseous moles of product minus number of gaseous moles of reactant is what? Delta Ng. Only gaseous moles. If there is any liquid solid, then it is taken as 0. सिर्फ gaseous moles count होंगे. Okay. For isothermal case, we have another formula for work which is minus 2.303. Include minus now. Minus 2.303 nRT log V2 by V1. V2 is final volume, V1 is initial volume, R is gas constant, T is temperature, N is the number of mole. From Boyle's law we know that pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So inversely है तो यहाँ V2 by V1 है तो यहाँ क्या आ जाएगा P1 by P2 because inversely proportional है. Next is enthalpy. Enthalpy means what? The heat which is absorbed or evolved during any reaction. That is enthalpy. Enthalpy is just a heat. Enthalpy is also known as heat change at constant pressure is enthalpy. ऊपर देखा heat change at constant volume is internal energy. Heat change at constant pressure is what? Enthalpy. Enthalpy has another formula. Delta U is plus P delta V. Delta U is internal pressure. Delta V is change in volume. Similarly, P delta V can also written as delta Ng in RT. जैसे यहाँ पे work में लिखा. So this is another formula of enthalpy. Heat capacity means what? The amount of heat which is required to raise the temperature of any system by 1 degree Celsius is known as heat capacity. So heat capacity is what? Q by T. Delta T is change in temperature. Q is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of a body by 1 degree Celsius. If its mass is specified, for example 1 gram of substance, then it is known as specific heat capacity. 1 mole of substance, then it is known as molar heat capacity. Means the amount of heat which is required to raise the temperature of 1 mole of substance by 1 degree Celsius is molar. 1 gram of substance is specific heat capacity. This molar heat capacity is of 2 types. First is molar heat capacity at constant volume. Another is molar heat capacity at constant pressure. Means here volume is constant, here pressure is constant. So formula वही change in heat by change in temperature at constant volume, change in heat and change in temperature at constant pressure. पीछे देखा ना, heat change at constant volume is internal energy, so du by dt. Heat change at constant pressure is enthalpy. So this is another formula of Cv and Cp. Cp minus Cv, relation between them is R. For n number of moles it is Nr. Then there are two kinds of reactions, exo and endothermic. Exo means what? In which heat is released. Heat is released means heat is given out by the system. Then that case sign of enthalpy is taken as negative. Negative. Endo means what? When heat is absorbed. Heat is absorbed by the system, then sign is taken as positive. What is entropy? Entropy is the measurement of randomness. Randomness means disturbance. More will be the randomness, then more will be the entropy. If we have any reaction, suppose A plus B giving 2C plus D. So here number of mole is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Here number of mole is 2 plus 1, that is 3. If number of mole is increasing, then entropy also increases. The formula of entropy is dq reversible upon T. In gas, liquid, solid, we know that gas is most random. So it has higher value of entropy than liquid, and सबसे कम value of entropy will be of solid. Entropy of any reaction is what? Total entropy of product minus total entropy of reactant. Entropy of any process will be equals to our system ka entropy plus surrounding entropy plus na. For any reversible process, the change in entropy will be 0 because reversible, and entropy is a state function which depends only on the initial and final state. So A is going to B will be returned to A. So reversible initial and final state both is same, therefore change in entropy will be 0. But for irreversible, the change in entropy should be greater than 0. Greater than 0 means it should be positive, then only that reaction will be spontaneous, which I will discuss in the next lecture. Gibbs energy. Gibbs energy means denoted by capital G. It is also a state function which depends only on the initial and final state. The formula of Gibbs energy is given by Gibbs-Helmholtz equation, which is delta H minus T delta S. Delta H is what? Enthalpy, T is temperature, S is entropy. Another formula of delta G which gives a relationship between Gibbs free energy and EMF of cell, which is minus NFE. N is the number of electrons which is generally used or exchanged during the electrochemical reaction. F is Faraday constant. 1 Faraday is what? 96500 Coulomb. And E is the EMF of cell. One or more relation, the decrease in free energy means minus delta G is useful work. If we have to calculate useful work, calculate delta G, it will be equals to the useful work. One more relation, free energy का equilibrium constant से delta G will be minus nRT, number of moles, gas constant, T temperature. Natural log means log to the base E, K equilibrium. It can be converted to the log to the base B. कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? इसको सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई करो 2.303 से, तो ये ln से log to the base 10 में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. That's all for the today's lecture. Next topic I will cover will be the laws of thermodynamics, first, second and third law. So thank you.